my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a traditional dish called Ugali. We are just going to use two recipes: maize flour and water. In my country we call it Ugali, but in different countries and cultures they have different names. Others they call it sima, others they call it couscous. And I want you to tell me in your own country, how do you call this dish? And comment below. I'll be so happy to hear from you. Do not forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to my channel. This is the right time to do that. And then turn on the notification button so that you will be able to be updated every time we post new recipes. And let's go and cook together. So to make ugali, we are going to start with making porridge. I remember this is just 2 ingredients recipe, very easy. You don't need to add flour when the water is hot. So we just need to put when the water is still cold. I'm using a full maize flour, yellow maize flour, to make this ugali. Now we are going to mix like this until the porridge becomes thick. Then after that, we'll let it boil for like 10 to 15 minutes. And from there, it will be ready to start making ugali. So you need to do it continuously. Do not rest your hand until you get the thick porridge. Remember to put your temperature, in the stove, just at the medium for the best results. So this is a very good consistency. Now our porridge is ready and we are going to make it ugali. Now I'm going to add flour and quickly mix it. Need to add the flour little by little. So you'll be adding like this. Normally you need to use, for example, 1 liter of water. You can use half kilogram of flour, but you need to observe as you are making it. It will depend how soft do you want your ugali to be. If you want it to be softer, that means you need to put small amount of flour. But if you want it to be harder, you can add more flour. So this is how we do it. Now I'm going to let it cook for like 10 minutes. Our ugali is already ready. And we can now enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Up to this time, we are done with our ugali dish. It's very nice. You can try and comment how did you find this recipe. Please do not forget to share with your friend and keep staying healthy until next video.